Knee-friendly HIIT for beginners low-impact burn. A low-impact, knee-friendly version of high-intensity interval training HIIT is accessible to novices and lowers the risk of joint strain. In 2021, a pilot study by Golightly et al. In the United States, which was published in ACR Open Rheumatology, assessed a 12-week twice-weekly HIIT exercise in people with osteoarthritis in their knees. Structured HIIT can be safe and effective for fragile knees, as seen by the participants' improved pain, function, walking speed, balance, leg strength, and cardio fitness, all without any reported negative side effects. Evidence versus moderate intensity training. Similar results are supported by a narrative review published in MDPI's Sports Journal. Date of publication not specified. It states that HIIT, particularly when it involves cycling, provides similar or better improvements in physical function, quality of life (VO₂max scores), and functional tests like timed up and go when compared to moderate intensity continuous training MICT, with similar adherence rates among individuals with osteoarthritis in the knee. Accordingly, HIIT shows promise even for those with joint restrictions if it is properly designed, e.g., cycling, low-impact motions. Practical low-impact strategies for HIIT. According to clinically verified guidelines from Verywell Fit, 2024 USA, low-impact HIIT favors activities that don't cause abrupt jolts or undue joint stress, rather than high-impact movements like box jumps and plyometric lunges. This method preserves joint integrity and makes exercises accessible for novices or people with joint discomfort, while guaranteeing the cardiovascular, metabolic, and psychological advantages of HIIT, including improved heart and lung health, effective calorie burning, metabolic enhancements, and mood enhancement. Joint-friendly modifications and design approach. Low-impact HIIT can mimic traditional HIIT intensity through carefully chosen exercises, such as cycling, elliptical sprints, slide board movements, controlled step-ups, glute bridges, and resistance-based upper body moves, according to fitness and physiotherapy sources like Peak Interval, 2023 to 2024. These alternatives are perfect for persons with joint difficulties or beginners looking for a knee-friendly HIIT strategy, since they prevent high-impact stress while providing comparable calorie burn, VO₂max gains, and much fewer injuries, up to 60% lower, over a 12-week period. Health authority guidance and low-impact HIIT benefits. Low-impact forms of HIIT, such as bodyweight exercises without leaping or cycling-based bursts, can offer strong cardiovascular benefits while being easy on the joints, according to mainstream health advice, such as that provided by Health.com, 2015. These findings support the potential of HIIT when carefully modified and led by appropriate form and medical clearance. They are paired with Verywell Health's recommendations, approximately 2020 US, which emphasize safe exercise for those with osteoarthritis or knee discomfort, such as cycling, swimming, and elliptical training. Last words. A beginner-friendly, knee-safe HIIT routine that strikes a balance between intensity, joint protection, and sustainability may be created by combining data from clinical research and fitness resources influenced by physiotherapy.